Welcome back everyone. Don't have a lot of garden space? No problem at all. Today I came up with this idea utilising plastic buckets and hanging them right on the trellis to grow eggplants super neatly. Starting off right is very important. I soak the eggplant seeds in water for about 1 to 2 hours. After that, I spread them evenly over a cloth towel, fold it over and incubate them in a warm place so the seeds sprout quickly. After just 2 days of incubation, opening it up reveals that the eggplant seeds have cracked their shells and shot out vibrant, healthy white roots, achieving a 100% germination rate. And here are the cups of soil I prepared to sow the sprouted seeds. Now we just gently place each seed in, every one, then lightly mist with a little water to keep them moist perfection. Instead of buying pots, I'm using these plastic buckets to plant the crop, everyone. Remember to punch holes at the bottom and around the body of the buckets, everyone! This keeps the soil aerated and drains water super fast without worrying about root rot. I place the seedling root ball horizontally inside the bucket, allowing the tip of the plant to stick out through the hole. After that, I fill the bucket with soil and sprinkle a thin layer of trichoderma fungi on top, water it down to dissolve the fungal powder, and we're done. This trick protects the root system and prevents root rot exceptionally well. Skip those expensive chemical fertilizers. Today I'm making natural fertilizer from fresh fish combined with ripe banana peels. Don't forget to add trichoderma fungi. This trick helps the mixture decompose super fast, keeps it odour-free, and works wonders for the roots. After just a short time, all the eggplant plants have grown leaps and bounds. The stems, growing out from the side of the buckets, naturally curve upward to catch the sun and breeze, with vibrant green leaves bursting with vitality. I dig a deep hole right in the middle of the bucket, pour in the fish and banana peel mixture, and cover it back up with soil. Now we've reached a crucial stage, everyone time to pinch the tips. I pinch off the main growing tips to stimulate the eggplant plants to put out many new side branches which will double the fruit yield. The eggplants have sprouted lots of lush new branches, along with many clusters of purple flowers. When the petals drop, that's when the magic happens. The purple blossoms have gradually been replaced by young eggplants, growing bigger day by day. Look at this, everyone. Today, the eggplants have reached perfect ripeness. The skins are smooth and glossy with a deep purple colour that looks super satisfying. Look at this, everyone, the eggplants are dangling from the branches in competition. Isn't it such a fun sight? Thanks to training the stems to grow outside the buckets, the fruits have room to hang down naturally, growing both long and straight without curving. I'll trim off the leaves that block sunlight from reaching the fruits. Getting enough sunlight makes the eggplant skin turn a deep, rich purple and become super juicy right away. Can't wait any longer. I'm bringing my basket out to the garden to harvest right now, gently cutting fruit by fruit, one after another. Looking at this basket of fresh, delicious eggplants still attached to their stems is just irresistible. For anyone whose home lacks space but loves eggplants, you can definitely refer to this unique and clever growing method. See you all in upcoming videos. Thank you so much, everyone.